Welcome back, viewers. Focus remains on tracking the latest development. Now, in the latest, what we are picking up, speaking on the upcoming trade deals with several countries, US President Donald Trump said, and I quote, that we are going to be sending letters out on Monday having to do with the trade deals. So we are going to have a combination of letters and some deals that have been made. Let's listen into the statement. And of course, this was followed by similar kind of a remark that was seen on Truth Social.
Sending letters out on Monday having to do with the trade deals. It could be 12, maybe 15. You know, Secretary of Commerce right here. And I guess, Howard, I would say it could be maybe as many as 15 or so. And they'll be going out on Monday, and some will go out on Tuesday and Wednesday, and and we've made deals also. So we're going to have a combination of letters, and some deals have.
Mehndi Garg joins me with more updates. Mehndi, now this is what we have just picked up. US President Donald Trump saying that letters on the renewed tariff war, tariff additional cost will be coming out on Monday, that's today. How do you in fact look at the statement coming in at the time when the member nations of the BRICS 17 summit have issued a declaration in a joint manner, which Trump has said is the anti-American sentiment?
Well, indeed, Simran, the United States is set to take a major step in its ongoing trade shift, and President Donald Trump has confirmed, and we just heard him starting from Monday noon, he has said that the U.S. will begin sending official letters outlining new tariff rules and trade deal terms to multiple countries. And these letters are described as final and non-negotiable, Simran. And in a post on the social media platform also, Trump has written that he is pleased to announce that the United States tariff letters and or deals with various countries from around the world will be delivering starting 12 p.m. Eastern Monday, as on July 7th. And he also, mentioned thank you for your attention to this matter. So if we talk about, this particular development, Simran, then this marks a shift from traditional diplomatic negotiations to a more direct unilateral approach. And these letters are being sent just 2 days before the July 9th expiry of a 90-day tariff suspension first announced in April. So that earlier, proposal included a base 10% tariffs on most imports, and with the possibility of raising it up to 70% for specific countries. So now Donald Trump had previously called these proposals take it or leave it, first aiming to speed up talks and push ahead with the planned tariff system. But in the further development, Simran, Donald Trump also said that any country supporting what he called the anti-American policies of the BRICS group will face an additional 10% tariff, and he did not explain what policies he was referring to. And also, the BRICS summit included Brazil, Russia, India, and China, later to expanded to include South Africa as well. And, Trump's statement suggests that countries aligned and this expanded bloc could see added trade barriers when dealing with the U.S. So far, only the United Kingdom and Vietnam have secured confirmed deals, Simran, and the UK has retained the base 10% tariff with some sector-specific relief, and Vietnam negotiated a 20% tariff reduced from an earlier 46%. So big statements have been given by Donald Trump as of now. Yes, Simran.
Absolutely. In fact, Mehndi, continue to stay with us. We are also learning more updates as far as this big statement is concerned by the US President Donald Trump. In a social media post, United States President Donald Trump has now confirmed that the letters on deals and tariffs with different countries will be delivered starting 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time today. Trump said, and I quote, that I'm pleased to announce that the United States tariff letters and deals with various countries from around the world will be delivered starting 12 p.m. Eastern today. All right, briefly, in fact, Mehndi, take us through what does the letter that is expected to be issued from the White House on the tariff is likely to make an impact on the tariff declarations?
Well, indeed, Simran, Donald Trump has made, big statements, and huge decisions have been taken and taken to his X platform also. He mentioned that how the U.S. will start delivering tariff letters to other countries starting from today. And in the post also, he said that he's pleased to announce that the U.S. tariff letters or deals with various countries from around the world will be delivered starting by today as per the Indian time. And Trump also mentioned, Simran, that on July 4th that he had signed around 12 trade letters ahead of an impending deadline for his tariffs to take effect. And Trump's tariffs were part of a broader announcement in April, Simran, where he imposed a 10% duty on goods from almost all trading partners with a plan to, step up these rates for a select group within days. But he swiftly paused the hikes until July 9th, allowing for trade talks to take place. And now the countries have been pushing to strike deals that would help them avoid these elevated duties. So far, Simran, the Trump administration has unveiled deals with the United Kingdom and Vietnam, while Washington and Beijing agreed to temporarily lower straddling high levies on each other products. So also, Simran, Trump said that countries aligning themselves with the anti-American policies of BRICS will be charged an additional 10% tariff. And he mentioned that any country aligning themselves with this anti-American policies will be charged additional 10%, and there will be no exceptions to this policy. So indeed, Trump did not clarify or expand on the anti-American policies reference in his post, Simran, but the original BRICS group gathered leaders from Brazil, Russia, India, and China at its first summit in 2009, and the bloc later added South Africa, and last year included Egypt, Ethiopia, Indonesia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates as members. So now, BRICS leaders at a summit also took aim at Trump's indiscriminate import tariffs and recent Israeli-US strikes on Iran as well. So indeed, we can say now, Trump has made the big announcement, and from today, from the White House, the tariff letters will be sent out.